Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So right now, as you can see, okay, so tomorrow I'm going Thailand. So I have this money for Thailand. What this is called
Thai baht.
this is a Thai baht. This is a 1.50, 1,50,000. In Thailand money, it will be 70,000. So because if you want to go Thailand, you have to exchange from in India itself, because if we go there, it's a little bit expensive. But 1.50 is not enough for me, because actually if I go there, I have to go some shopping and all. But we can use our card, but they will take a little bit extra. They will charge money, but it's okay. So this is my passport, and definitely you have to take a Xerox copy for this is Thailand pass. And this is COVID vaccination, and this is boarding pass, and this is a life insurance,
Travel insurance.
travel insurance. So you must get this Xerox copy so that you can go easily. No need to show your phone. So I only take my luggage. This is the camera accessories, as you can see. So I have 3 luggage. So here clothes, some perfume. I'll go and buy there. So we have 3 luggage. This luggage I'll put it here, and then I'll just carry in a handbag. So right now we already reached airport, but I think we reached a little bit early because flight is only 10:30. But it's okay. We reach early, and that will be it's good. So, but we'll not go right now.
We'll go that side.
So if you are coming here, early, you can go for lots of restaurant inside. If you're coming here, you will get restaurant, for bar, everything, shopping, but expensive. So nice. You can see the Bangalore weather is very beautiful. Flower. You can come and have drinks here. Everywhere they have bar, right? Everywhere bar is there. It's all lots of bar, so you can go anywhere. Oh my god. Very nice, that flower. See, so cute. The leaves also. So when you come in airport, you can have water taste. This is pure water. See, people are drinking. This is drinking water. We'll have some beer because we came so early.
Yeah. If you want to actually start,
Cheers.
ready to start from the board, come inside.
Cheers.
Hey, cheers, bro. Long time.
Chill there. Say hello, huh?
Hello.
After a long time, I'm meeting my bro. We have this very big luggage. Bangkok. We are in area Asia, right?
See, this is the line.
International.
Yeah, better to pass class 10.
10 bus even now, 10 Kerala say for what you are going, show me your different tickets, show me your hotel checking done, luggage done, everything is done. So we have to go and wait. What to say? Boarding.
Yes.
So boarding is 11:30, but before 11 we have the boarding. If you are coming international, you should come before 3 hours back. Already boarding is done. And don't worry, this is they don't take too much, very much or something like that. This is normal. So here. Flying to Thailand. We are take off to Bangalore to Bangkok, Thailand. So excited. See you Bangalore soon. So it's already take off. As you can see, the flight moving now. Finally we are airport landing. You can see it's very big thing. From 30 minutes I'm saying no. Reaching see very big city. Oh my god. So finally we reach Bangkok, Thailand. So because actually visa we have to taking from India, but better we have to take from here in Bangkok. One person visa 4,000, na?
4,000.
In India?
In India, Indian rupees 4,000.
4,000.
The visa from Bangalore itself, it would have been 2,500 only.
2,500.
But again, you have to
Go here and there in office. I can wear the same. So better we just came here a little bit expensive, but it's okay. One person 4,000 rupees.
Yeah.
So right now we're in taxi. Taxi is so big. Today I'm becoming celebrity. Because first I'm sitting in big car. Otherwise sitting in without AC.
Oh yeah.
Oh nice. See, 260 boy and girl sitting next. But not glare, it's very dark.
Hey, they have Innovas also here, see?
Yeah, bro. You know what is that?
Finally, video. I am so tired today. I'm just kidding. We reach, I think, early morning Bangkok, but they have to take visa. It takes long process because too much crowded. So right now we're going to hotel. Look at the, this is the Ola cab, but it's very busy. You can see, I think, 10 people also. You can see.
Yeah. I think
So comfortable.
so enjoying, right?
Yeah, today I'm
pretty.
So right now we are on our way to the hotel. I think outside is a little bit hot, right?
It's hot.
That's why I saw people are saying like Thailand is very hot. Madam G is very like looking to see my face from last night now sleeping.
Excited.
Excited but still tired.
Bro.
Bangalore, Thailand. Okay, so right now we reach our hotel. This is our hotel. No, but some construction is going on.
Yeah, some construction is going on, but this is our hotel.
Let me show you guys.
Asula.
This is our room. I'm very tired. Oh my god. From last night not sleeping. Guys, so tired. Last night we didn't sleep and morning we did 8 p.m. Just I think now 9 o'clock. Just now only we reached our room. Very nice. See, inside look not that much, but outside you can see the view is so nice. We'll show later on. First, let me take bath, then we freak up, otherwise so sleepy. Stay tuned. We'll show you outside.